Probability, the basics. You will be able to define and quantify what probability means and find the probability of a simple event. What is probability? Please define using your own words or by drawing a picture. Probability is a number that describes the likelihood that an event will occur. Since we are talking percentages, it's from 0 to 100%, but which of the following values could describe the probability of an event? Because percentage is a decimal, it can't be 2.6. You cannot have negative probability. You cannot have 100. Your answers for probability will be from 0 to 1, 1 being 100%. And you could either say this is 0.5 or 50%. So it is actually C. When we are doing something, we have some choices. The probability of an event will always be a value from 0 to 1 or from 0% to 100%. If I tell you to do something and you will do it every single time, that's called certain. If you aren't able to do it, it's called impossible. And then there's an even chance right down the middle, and then we will go into likely and least likely and other terms also. The probability of an event can be thought of as a comparison. So this P with whatever you want to do, so this would be P and this would be red. If I wanted the probability of red, it's what you would say yes to over the total. So that would be a no, a yes, and a yes. So 1 yes over 4 total, so that's 1/4 or 25% probability. The probability of an event can be thought of a comparison. So this is probability of blue, yes, yes, no, yes, I got 3 yeses, over total, which is 4, which is 3/4 or 75% probability. The probability of an event can be expressed as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. What is the probability of choosing a red circle? No, no, yes, no, 1 yes out of 4, no, 4 total. That would be 25%. If you were to have an event of 50%, you would have, the best one is a coin, and it would be a head out of a coin. So 1 head out of 2 possible outcomes is 50%. Here's a quiz. Which event has a probability of probability of 0? Rolling a 5 on a fair number cube. Well, a fair number cube is called a dice. So is there a 5 on a dice? Absolutely. So that I can do. Tossing a fair coin and landing on tails. Yes, because it's head or tails. Rolling a 7 on a fair number cube, and a fair number cube only has 6 sides, so I could never get a 7, and that would be the probability of 0. Which event has probability of 100%? Tossing a fair coin and it lands on tails. No, I could actually get a head, so that's not 100. Rolling a fair number cube whose sides are each numbered 3 and rolling a 3. Well, if they're all 3 and I want a 3, I like that one. Choosing a month that begins with the letter J. Well, April doesn't start with J, so the only one I'm guaranteed is that. What is the probability of choosing a square? Okay, yes. 2 yeses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 out of 7. There we go. What is the probability of choosing a triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 out of 7. Not red. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 7. Not red. 4 out of 7. Pentagon. 0. No pentagons in there. 0. No pentagons in there. Now you know about probability. So when you're doing probability, you're going to look at your sample and you're going to say your probability answer will be your yeses over your nos.